Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create a database template in Notion. So just head over to notion.so on your browser or just use a desktop app and navigate to any database. Then look at the top right corner of your database and click the small blue drop-down arrow right over here next to the blue New button, and then choose New Templates. Okay, and this will open the blank templates editor. So just give your template a title like meeting notes. As you can see, something that's pretty cool is that it's asking, is this for a meeting? Because I've inputted meeting and now it already recognizes that. That's pretty cool. And add a custom icon and cover if you wish. And after that, you can just publish this. You can just publish it like this. Okay. And now your template is saved. That is it, guys. Enjoy.